is an excellent breed with many unique characteristics. With the ability to reach record speeds of up to 45 miles per hour, they are winners on the greyhound racing tracks. Their slender physique and the softness of their coat help them maintain high speeds and conserve energy. Furthermore, greyhounds have excellent jumping ability and often showcase excitement through the phenomenon known as the zoomies, when they run in circles at top speed to express joy and excitement. With these traits, greyhounds are not only outstanding racing dogs, but also adorable and distinctive companions in the world of pets.